islands of Fiji to the cold nights in the UK. Many mothers carry the same story, working far from home for love. She left the islands early morning, suitcase full of dreams and pain, kissing her children at the doorway, not knowing when she'd see them again. Flying over endless oceans, heart still anchored in the sand, trading sunshine for gray skies, just to lend her children a hand. Now she wakes in a foreign city, working hard through every day, sending money back to Fiji, praying everything will be okay. Every message from her babies, every voice she hears on the phone, reminds her why she sacrifices, even when she feels alone. Life gets heavy in the winter, lonely nights can test the soul, but a mother's love is stronger than the distance she must hold. Temptation whispers softly, trying to lead her astray, but she stands on faith and courage and keeps walking the narrow way. Oh, nasenga ni shoro, enavuku mudo na luvengu, dredrekete au mai sotava, iana no gulolo mai na deitunga, veisa unibula au mai sotava, vovo tuna matamudo ena vesinga, tangina ya longu ni uvaka na numa, nituveya wakieru idrededina, dua na singa savoleka, meda tuna mai sota bulatale, mai peritania meya tukiriti, lolo magona deitunga katawa mudu. Mothers share the same road, different stories, same sacrifice, working late and rising early, paying every hidden price. Cold wind blowing through the city, while their hearts are back at home, watching children grow through photos while they face the world alone. But inside them burns a vision of a brighter day ahead, their children join them someday, and the tears they cried are shed. Every hour, every paycheck, every prayer they softly say is building hope for tomorrow, even through the hardest days. Some days feel like forever when the distance feels so wide, but faith reminds their spirits love is always on their side. Through the storms and through the struggle, still their hearts remain so true. For the future of their children, there is nothing they won't do. Nasenga ni shoro, enavuku mudo na luvengu, dredrekete au mai sotava, iana no gulolo mai na deitunga, veisa unibula au mai sotava, vovo tuna matamudo ena visinga, tangina ya longu ni uvaka na numa, nituveya wakieru idredredina, dua na singa savoleka, meda tona mai sota bulatale, mai peritania meya tokititi, lolo magona deitunga katawa mudu. One day the waiting will be over, no more tears across the phone, no more empty rooms at night, no more feeling all alone. Airports filled with happy faces, arms held open wide, years of sacrifice and struggle, standing proudly side by side. Aona sengani soro Enavukungudo na luvengu Dedrekete au maisotava Iana nogu loloma enadeitunga Veisa unibula au maisotava Vovotuna matamudo ena veisinga Tangina ya longu ni uvaka na numa Ni tuveia wakieru idrededina Duana singa savoleka Medatuna maisota bulatale Mai peritania meyato kiviti Lolo magona deitunga katawa mudu The oceans and the miles, their love keeps shining through. From the cold streets of the UK to the warm shores of Fiji, a mother's sacrifice is never forgotten.